Hi, I'm Laura Serrano, and in this presentation, I'm gonna share with you an explanation about a word formation process that is called root creation. Welcome. Root creation definition. Root creation is the rarest form of word formation. It is a process that implies the invention of a new root morpheme. It's special because the words that came from root creation don't have a defined etymology because they appear when the need arises. They are created by shortening or branding, or they are based on existing words or names. They are highly conventional, and in some cases, they are literally coinage. When we talk about brand names, it's easy to know what is the meaning of root creation because the brand names are the best example of root creation. Words like Disney, Chevignon, Adidas comes from the surnames of the founders of the brand. When we talk about shortening or blending, we must talk about initials like NBA, that is National Basketball Association, or acronyms like Roblox, that is a blend of robot and blocks, or even the expression WhatsApp, that is the name of the app that we all know. And it's a blend that a modification of the expression that we use to talk with others when we say hello is a way to say what's up. And this expression is adapted and create a word that is the name of the app. The onomatopoeic words like moo, meow, wolf, or the sounds of the animals like the actions of the sounds like Twitter or gulp or sizzle are root creations because they are created when the need arises. Literally connage is referred to words that are in books, and they appear first time by an author like Shakespeare or Milton or Spencer or many others. Um, and it's a kind of difficult to define if they are the creators of the words or they just record the words because the words are culture products too. Thanks for watching. Bye.